Hey boys and girls, Miss Farrell coming to you today with our math lesson of the day. We've introduced you to a circle, a triangle, a rectangle, and today we're going to introduce you to a square. Before we get started, let's go ahead and count. Count with me as I tap each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get that number 10 stuck in your head. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wow, I got really smart students today. Here is a picture of a square. A square has 4 straight sides. They're all the same size. They have 4 corners. A corner is where 2 sides meet together. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. They're all the same. That is what makes a square very special. Here are some things that we see in everyday world that are the shape of a square. Your waffles you eat for breakfast and some bread is the shape of a square. The windows in your house are the shape of a square. Let's compare our shapes. Remember, when we compare, we're talking about how they're the same and how they're different. So a circle, here's his name, circle. It has 0 sides and 0 vertices, which is corners. A triangle, here's the word triangle, has 3 sides and 3 corners or vertices. Here's my rectangle, the word rectangle. 4 sides, 2 of them are long, 2 of them are short. And so 4 sides total and 4 corners or vertices. Let's go ahead and type in the word square. How many sides does that square have? That's right, 4 equal sides. And how many corners or vertices? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, we have 4 there as well. All right, boys and girls, that's all for today.